Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope guys you are doing well. Today in front of you Canon Pixma. The model number is MG3040, and the issue is this with printer that it's not feeding paper well. It's getting stuck in the middle in the paper path. So today I will teach you how to fix this problem. If you have any model, any kind of Pixma, Canon Pixma, any series, so same process you have to follow. So first of all, I will go for copy and will show you what's actually happening. Started scanning the page. Let's see. It will take 20 seconds around. Look, you can see it's getting stuck. I will press cancel and the paper is not fading well. Okay, what to do? You have to take flat screwdriver, any kind of flat screwdriver, and lift your printer up and open the cartridge door. There is something falling from here. Okay, so rather than to disassemble this printer completely, I will tell you a short way to fix the problem and see what's actually got stuck inside. Keep aside this cartridge. Okay, first of all just remove the power from the cord. Power removed, and now you can move this easily. So now what to do? You can see this white color hook plates over here. We have to lift this with the help of flat screwdriver. Like you will see, I will lift, and you will see, if you are able to see, there is something over there stuck. I will take inside this flat screwdriver and lift this printer up, and that's what it was stuck inside. Something type of plastic was there, and you can check again all paths, and everything is cleared down. There is nothing at all. So any kind of Pixma printer, Pixma any series, MG3040, 2445, like this, there are many models in this type. You have to follow the same method. If anything get fallen inside, you have to with the help of flat screwdriver, you have to clear the paper path. Now I will connect the power. I will turn the machine on, and then we will check again. Look, it's feeding now. It's feeding well now. There's no problem at all. This was the method, guys, and there's no more paper jam. If you have any question regarding this Canon Pixma 3040 or any other model, you can ask me in the comments. I will try to reply your questions. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.